Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So before we jump into all of these wig details that you see in the thumbnail, first let's jump into the fact that I'm rocking my natural hair, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Hair just a flourishing. It has been braided up for, I think, for the past few months. I'm not sure if I've worn my hair down this year, and it's not because I don't want to wear it down. It's just thankfully I've had, you know, numerous wigs being sent to me, so pretty much I washed my hair like I did, and I did the LOC method and I braided it back up. So yes, it is growing and flourishing. Like, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. It's past my, I think, bra strap now, so it goes down. Like right now it's braided, but when it's not braided it went down further. So yeah, y'all, let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see a natural hair update on myself. And yes, the grays are still flourishing. You see that? The grays are still flourishing. So if you guys haven't done it already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the fam, y'all. Just join the fam. So let's jump into these wig details. So as you guys can see, I think Zury heard, you know, saw my last video, and they heard my concerns with the Ren wig. If you guys haven't seen it already, it's the sophisticated unicorn video. But yeah, I think that they heard that I didn't like, I think, how short the wig was, although I like the color. So what did they do, y'all? They sent me a wig in the same color, longer and curlier. Or curly in general. So I figured they're saying, you're gonna love this color. We're gonna make you fall in love with this color and this wig, y'all. What y'all think? Are we ready for it or not? So let's just jump right into the wig details. So this comes from their Sassy Lively Spirit collection, and it's in Sassy HMH Moda. And it's in the color Sombre RT Aurora. So, I'm not new to this color at all. I'm just gonna be new to it with it all over, like, and curly. So let's just jump right into putting this wig on my head. 1 second. Okay, so pause before I put it on my head. Something that I can already tell that I'm going to love is the parting space. So I think with all of Zury's wigs, I'm pretty sure I always love their parting space. I love the fact that it is hassle-free. Like, I do not feel like plucking. I'm too busy. I don't have time to pluck all my wigs, okay? So I'm appreciative of the fact that the parting space is always phenomenal. And this one comes with baby hairs, y'all. Like, okay. I might not even, that's why I didn't even lay my baby hairs, because I was like, hey, I'm working with Zury, and with Zury I very rarely have to do too much to it. So now let's jump into putting it on my head. Okay, love, so this is the wig, just put it on my head in all its glory. I haven't done any type of customizing to it, so this is the part without any type of powder, mineralized skin finish. The edges are not laid, and yeah, this is the hair. I haven't brushed it out or anything like that. This is just what it looks like. So my initial thoughts about the hair are that I like the feel of it, like it's really soft. I love the parting space, like I already told you guys. The hair, I mean, I can get into it, you know. I think that I would love it a lot better if it was in a regular 1B, something like that. I'm pretty sure that I would love it even more, but I'm all down for fun colors and stuff. And it's not like this is the first time that I'm wearing this color, so I'm less shocked now, you know, I'm less surprised. So yeah, I love it. It's very fun. So I think I'm fun unicorn today, okay? You know, I was sophisticated unicorn before, so I'm fun unicorn today. But let's get into laying these edges.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. I know you're trying to leave, you miss. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say